Why do you choose PVC as the material for making fast-rolling doors? Through a few points to let you recognize the PVC material. The last point is also the most important. Easy to process. PVC material has good plasticity and processability, can be processed into various shapes and sizes by thermoforming, cutting, welding, etc. Therefore, it is widely used in various fields. Corrosion resistance. PVC material has good corrosion resistance, resistant to corrosive substances such as water, oil, and acid. Abrasion resistance. PVC material has good abrasion resistance. It can resist the impact of external forces. Weather resistance. Can withstand harsh weather conditions and high temperatures. When installed in outdoor environment, it will not be affected by significant aging or deformation. Environmentally friendly. PVC is an environmentally friendly material. Can be recycled. It can also be degraded. Less pollution to the environment. This is the main reason why more and more factories are choosing PVC fast doors.